Now I'm going to show you how to make a bead which tapers down at one end but not the other. These are really good for, well, they're good for necklaces, they're nice beads, but they're also very good for earrings. So that's the sort of bead we're making. And that's it. That's an earring with using this type of bead. So, again, make sure that you've got your edges straight at a right angle. And we're going to do something dead easy. I'm not even going to measure to the bottom. I'm just going to go from the edge at the top. I'm going to think, how long do I want my bead? Probably about that long. And I'm just going to draw right down. So, we have a triangle which is straight at right angles here and tapered down that side. And we're going to cut it out again. And roll it round our skewer. Now, follow the same principle, so secure it with a bit of glue first, not too much. And what you're aiming for with this one is that your straight side stays straight and your tapered side starts to move in. Now, it isn't easy to get this to work, and I do like to take this one off the skewer after it gets going, because as you can see it's kind of moved in a little bit on the right and we actually want it flat on the right, so I'm going to pull it down at this point. I've just pushed that in so that's flat, and now we're going to carry on rolling in our fingers like this, keeping this edge flat to the bottom, and the other edge will start to taper in. And when we get to the end, stick it down with a bit of glue as usual. And there you have it. Pointy bead.